Nutrition in human being. First we will see human alimentary canal. It consists of tongue, mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus, appendix, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and diaphragm. Once the food enters the mouth, teeth chew food into smaller pieces. Salivary glands release saliva, which contains the enzyme amylase. Amylase breaks down starch into smaller sugar-like maltose. Esophagus transports food from mouth to stomach by peristaltic movement. In this process, no digestion occurs. The stomach is a large organ which expands when food enters in it. Gastric glands present in stomach wall release hydrochloric acid, a protein digesting enzyme called pepsin, and mucus. The hydrochloric acid creates an acidic medium. The mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of the acid. Pepsin enzyme helps to break proteins into peptides. The exit of food from the stomach is regulated by a sphincter muscle. When food is moving from stomach to small intestine, bile from liver stored in gallbladder secretes into food to emulsify or break fats into tiny droplets, and pancreatic juice from pancreas secrete enzymes, trypsin, which convert proteins to peptides, and lipase, which converts fat to fatty acids and glycerol. The small intestine is the site of the complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The walls of the small intestine contains glands, which secretes intestinal juice. The enzymes present in it finally convert the proteins to amino acids, complex carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Digested food is taken up by the walls of the intestine. The inner lining of the small intestine has numerous finger-like projections called villi. The villi are richly supplied with blood vessels, which take the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body. The unabsorbed food is sent into the large intestine, where it absorbs more water from this material. The rest of the material is removed from the body via anus. The exit of this waste material is regulated by the anal sphincter. Thank you.